Hi guys, here's a fresh thought after a very, very long time. And it's so fresh in my head that I don't know where my mic is, but I just thought I'll share it with you all quickly before it leaves my head. You know, there's this High Rocks happening, Yoda happening, Yotha happening, and then there is this North Tata Marathon out there. But somehow, there's no race where it's only mums. Uska koi criteria nahi hai. You could be a single mom, you could be a mom to 4, you could be a pregnant mommy, you could be my mommy who's like on the older spectrum. Age is not a barrier. Your prerequisite is that you're a mom. So this is not a gender agnostic race. This is about moms. And you know what I'm gonna create in that race? Yes, because I would love for Aste to sponsor it. It's gonna be like a full take it easy vibe. And yeah, Aste is still cash strapped. I don't know how I'll sponsor it. We'll figure it out. But if I get couple of yeses, I really want to do this, where it's a truly take it easy race. And it comes how these other races come in cycles. And because life somehow is not happening to, the dads. It's only happening to the moms. We have so much of load in our head. This mental load needs to go away. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a homemaker or both. Oh my God. Like, girl, I'm with you. The mental load is 10x of the guy. School admissions, to be part of community, and this and that. And then their wardrobes, our wardrobes, the festivities, the work, the actual Google Drive of our office. There's so much going on that I want to have a race where there are huddles around everything we would love to do. So the first huddle will be a brunch. Nobody is allowed to call you because you're in a race, right? You never get a call then. And nobody's allowed to message you. No emergencies since you've prepared for it for a long time. You've taken out this time for yourself. And it's just unlimited offload of what's going on in your brain. It's almost like as healing as a therapy. So maybe towards the end of the race, we'll put a therapist as well. Then the next huddle is going to be curated shopping. Everything that your brain is thinking that you need to buy is right in front of you. And you just get it. You just have to just get it in the race. And your third hurdle is self-care. It's, there's a therapist, there's somebody speaking to you about your nutrition, there's somebody telling you that it's time to prioritize yourself. And that is the race, the Aste race, the full live Aste vibe. Karte hai yaar, please. I just need couple of yeses.